Hi, I'm Amber at WTI, and if your dog is very sensitive to allergies and also is a very picky eater, this might be just what they need. Go Salmon Skin and Coat. This is such a great formula. The dogs absolutely love it. My dogs are very sensitive and get ear infections very easily. And with this, eating this, they get very minimal ear infections now. I really love all the great ingredients that it has. There are so many good things to this food. There's pre and probiotic, which are very important for a healthy digestive system. There are antioxidants from fruits and vegetables. It's really clean, lean protein and ingredients. My dog gets very, very itchy skin, and this is one of the only foods that she can actually eat. Everything else just irritates her and she ends up scratching for days. So for my dog, she's a little bit overweight, so I feed her about 3 3/4 cups. The other dog, we feed her about 3 1/2 cups, and it just gives them a really good amount of energy. They love their food. It's never a challenge to get them to eat it. When it comes to the one dog, he's very particular about his food. You actually have to hand feed him if he doesn't like his food, but he loves this, so I don't have to hand feed him, so it just makes it so much easier. So this is a really great option for those pets that are very sensitive, that you want to give the best for your animals and have the best coat possible. So I really love this food, so do my dogs, and that is my point of view.